Ganda nung dark blue uniform nila.
Oo, ang dami nga nilang kulay this year. May green pa yan mga yan eh. Kaya nung nakita ko sila minsan, sabi ko, Santa Lucia? Hindi naman, sabi niya. Samantala, we've got Leo Campo coming in for the first time.
Yeah, big 6'9" guy. Well, to be affluent, you can afford a lot of uniforms.
Okay. Okay. We'll keep it that for the time being. And free throw brought to you by BMAG Derby Premium Formula. Dito ka na sa Llamado.
Oh, that should have been a nice pass if they had gotten in there.
There's a turn to the basket. Yes.
It's a good post-up play. Now, this guy really plays more on the perimeter, but that was a nice post-up move and a strong jump hook. 4 or 6 points. 4 points in the ball game and a 7-point lead for Ginebra and a 3-point shot.
Basi Divans. Nagpakita.
He's really a 3-point shooter more than a power forward, you know. He can mix up his game, and that's why I think he's also very valuable to this club as part of their starting 5 unit.
Not exactly comfortable playing with his back to the basket. He'll shoot away, he'll shoot away. Yes, we have too many steps. Ginebra by 4, 3:50 to go in a quarter that is just bouncing away into history.
Nakita mo yung mga nagpapaypay doon, talagang medyo mainit yun. Mainit. Saka yung close talaga yan eh. The way it's built. Not exactly the best ventilation in the world either.
There was a time when probably the Queen City of the South, of course, mas malamig ang hangin eh.
Hindi, Cebu has always been a very nice place to go to. Tourist destination-wise, talagang sobra.
Ang kwentuhan natin kanina, a beach is just an hour away.
Ang problema na lang sa Cebu, naging kasing mahal na ng Metro Manila. Good drive.
At saka, tanungin mo kahit sino man taga Cebu, nagka-traffic na din eh.
Naglalakad lang ako from my house to downtown.
Talaga.
Walang ka-problema. My scooter.
Dati yung airport, 30 minutes, makukuha mo, no? Ngayon, hindi na.
Well, the old airport also, yung lahig kasi yun.
Samantala, that will not work. Here's Miller. Oh, he found that. Trailer on the right and was missing. Follow-up by Hatfield.
Basta kaya yun. Ginamit yung banda para sa assist. 6 points in the ball game now for Rudy Hatfield.
Hatfield likes doing these garbage collection duties.
Yun naman talaga ang kanyang papel eh. And that's the reason why he endeared himself to a lot of times. Plus yung kanyang defense sa mga tao sa poste.
Walang humpay. Tireless yun dyan. Baguio, he drove to the basket, collected the foul.
Although Baguio is from Iligan City, if I'm not mistaken, he has his roots in Cebu. So that's why he's quite popular there. We're gonna have another timeout. Daming kantaan dyan, Saya, One Fiesta, Inoman.
Yep. Alam din ang lahat, no? Ang sa Visayas, dito sa Visayas at even part of Mindanao, educational center ang Cebu.
Yeah, well, they have some pretty good schools there. Even what you call these medical schools. Dati mga Delos Hospital dyan, General Hospital. And they have some very good teams before the league, no? Yung SWU, University of Visayas, yung San Agustin.
Nagkasentuhan yung dalawa sa likod ng Baguio, no?
Saan tayo punta mamaya?
Really cool place, man.
Well, alam mo, Mark is a very nice guy. If you know him outside. I've had the opportunity to be with him in JJ sa Bacolod once. And they're very nice people to be with. No? Baguio makes both free throws and the lead has been cut down to 6 with 2 minutes and 38 seconds left. It's the first quarter.
Okay. 21-15 tayo, Dr. J. Downstairs we go. Kick outside. Jancy provides the shield. Salino. Tagal. Sino akalang titira na dapat? Si Salino, no?
Well, si Jancy kanina pa dapat tumira. Talagang ayaw naman niya tumira na parang hindi siya wide open.
Nagsisigurado siya.
That's really something that you marvel at because you're 6'9", so you can shoot over almost all local players here. Maybe the only guy even close to your height would be Eman, but he's not on the court right now.
That is going to ring that bell. And Baguio beginning to feel good. Baguio with 6.
Well, he has scored the last 4 points, and so they've cut down that 7-point lead to only 4 right now. 8-point lead to only 4 right now.
Open shot, just rims out. Wilson regains it, then Selena Cruz asks for it. Sagiwa sees a bit of a daylight, but that won't go through, and it's touched last most likely by a white shirt.
Nakakang pinalitan dito si Yancy dahil to the situation ang ginawa nila. And they go to a smaller team right now. Pinasok si Tubig.
Yes.
Nakita mo, Tubig, takbo kagad ng takbo. Talaga dito pang full of energy niyan. And a 30-second timeout will be called by Ginebra because they could not get an inbound.
And some of the coaches, I know the players have an opportunity to do that, but some of the coaches don't like it when the players, unless predicament. Ano ba ito? Full timeout? Beto? Mukhang full timeout.
Mukhang pinul timeout na ni Coach John.
Okay, babalik ko kami ni Dr. J. And that's one way to beat the heat. Don't move.
Well, also keep your hair cropped up.
Don't move. Or bring your own electric fan on your ears.
What a nice smile. Beauty queen.
And you can actually hear direct Francis Opilio. Mga magaganda si Buana, magaganda.
Madami.
Oo, damo gito. And somebody named Alder Almo, we realized that you have a birthday. Akala ko nagluluto lang ng sago ang nanay mo. Ikaw pala may birthday. Happy birthday to you. Pagbalik mo, maglibre ka. Ang mahal nitong pinagagawa mo, patiin ka sa TV.
We have also our people,
yes.
Si Chawi, saka sila. You go there.
In the meantime, turnaround shot. No go. Medyo offensive foul ata ito. And Simpson with that shake of the head, then he feels he did nothing, but bumagsak na sa harap niya.
Well, that was Willie Wilson trying to hold the ground, you know. That's a call that sometimes, 50-50 yan eh. Pwede mo nang elect eh. Pwede mo rin tawagan kung gusto mong tawagan. Pero you have to put the ball down on the floor.
Ito, Dr. J, ang outside shooting basta out of town, suffer at a certain point because of lack of familiarity also.
Yeah, but usually they go there the day before, sometimes 2 days before. Cyrus Bagler, Cyrus has scored the last 6 points for Alaska and has cut down that lead to only 2 points right now from a high of 8.
He has a personal collection of 8 points in this battle. Here's a penetration. Big top at the last moment, which goes nowhere.
Larry Conisher already in the ball game there, together with Ignacan.
It's on the ground. And here comes Sagiwa. Really rough. Nice dish up at the last moment. No goal, but there's a follow.
And nagkakaroon ng mabuti dito si Anders.
And he has a 6-point game. Inside pass. And as the triangle evolves, short hook shot. Medyo masigit. Not exactly the best shot, but could be a foul here. Ambrose with the foul. His first. Ignacan will be our guest at the free throw line.
Well, 20.7 seconds left. Medyo mabilis ang pagkalaro dito sa ating first quarter. Except for, of course, for both teams already have it called 2 times out apiece. Pero yung isa 30 second yung Alaska and then a full. And Sam Eman coming into the ball game.
Next. Nagtuturo na sa kagad kasi
well, I think maybe the assignments were just being made clear and probably that came from the coaches that you should remind your players kung sinong dadamputin nyo sa depensa.
Split from the stripe by Reynald Hugnaten.
I wonder if the last guy's a foul to give because we're not sure at this stage. I think they do have, so they can use that if they want to. Not at this stage anymore. At saka he'd be fouling in the act of shooting.
Tapos pumasok pa. Hansan! Kaya si Buano Bradley, pagka meron sila nagustuhan na kasunod na isa, regardless of team, kanila yun. In the meantime, back here in Sugbu, just after this.